We've got a little reprieve from the heat and got some nice cool weather, so it actually feels like we're moving into fall. And one of the most gorgeous blooming plants that we find along the Gulf Coast is called duranta. It's also known as golden dewdrops or sky flower for this beautiful sky blue colored tubular flower. And they are just blooming right now and producing this fruit. Now this fruit can be toxic to humans, so we don't want to eat it, but the birds can actually eat it. In some places, this may be found as a bit of an invasive weed because those birds do disperse all those different seeds. But it is a beautiful evergreen shrub that is pretty hardy to our area. So it's USDA hardiness zones 8 to 11. It is a tropical plant that is native to Florida and also Central America and has been utilized in landscapes across the Gulf South. Now these do best in full sun. They can get pretty tall, upwards of 6 feet, and they can spread about 4 to 5 feet wide. And now with these beautiful tubular flowers, of course, we see the pollinators. We've been seeing bees, bumblebees just coming in and collecting nectar. So it is an excellent pollinator plant for the garden. Now this open airy form gives a little different shape in the landscape, and we can actually grow these pretty closely together to create a hedge. What they've been utilized as a screen or a hedge. So if you're planning for next fall and you're looking for some beautiful color or some of this fruit that's being produced, think about duranta or golden dewdrop for the springtime so that you can have that color in the fall next year. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.